Alright guys, we got this big old box of books. I'm about to get my setup all ready, and I'm going to show you guys me cleaning and prepping the books to go ahead and ship out to Amazon.
So one of my favorite places to scout is actually Savers. So the one reason I like it so much is how clean the books are. So like most of these books I barely have to clean, and the stickers they use are really easy to peel off. So this book, all these books I'm listing right now, it's going to be really quick and easy. I'm going to go ahead and time lapse it, and you can see the whole process of me, checking for quality. So then also what you're going to see me do at the end here, what I like to do is, so as I'm kind of a newish seller, I like to add handwritten notes to all my books that I'm shipping out to just kind of say, hey, I hope you enjoy your purchase, I hope you enjoy your book, or whatever it is. Usually I just do it for books. And I say, if I could borrow just a couple minutes of your time to leave me an honest review, that would mean the whole world to me. And that's basically it. I make it really short and sweet. I've gotten I tried it out on a batch of about 60 books, and as of now, I've gotten 3 reviews that were directly from that batch of books. I put a special SKU in, so I knew which ones had these notes, and even 2 of them had said, thanks for your handwritten note, it was so kind, and thoughtful. Most people don't do that. So it's just those extra little touches that maybe you don't think about. And I like to use what is this, construction paper, so it's not just I'm writing it on a piece of just regular printer paper. I'm putting a little bit of touch into it. It's nothing too cost expensive. You can get it at the dollar store for $1 for a big old pack of them. I like to get multiple colors and stack them up and then cut them out and just make little, just little rectangles that I can write a little message on. So without further ado, I'm going to hop in and start listing some books.
Gotta catch a beat on the fast. Police always wanna see you in check. Swear to God I got the different arrest. On the spot I couldn't plead the defense. Called you up and she said be there in 10. Didn't know I wouldn't see you again. All of a sudden bitches seeming the same. Thinking about how I'ma live in the pen. Hard choices though just came with the game. I don't wish I could leave you with less.
Alright, so I just did the calculation for all these books. I was able to score 19 books this morning, and the buy cost was $2.36. So I was able to do that. Everyone knows Savers is going to be a little bit more expensive. I was able to do that by donating some dud books that I had, and they give you a either 20 or 30% discount. So I used that towards my purchase. Then also at Savers they run a deal where if you buy 4 books, you get the 5th one for free. So I always try to find that extra book, or those extra books, so I can get the free one. Even if I'm gonna make, if I'm really struggling and I'm like 1 book away, I'll even scoop lower than I would normally. But as long as I'm still making profit, obviously, I'll go a little bit lower just so I can get that extra free book. It's just a little extra discount that really pays off in the end.
Now I carry a gauge. Try to avoid it, but I never left. Lawyers, they wanna take the 10%. Take a quarter K to stay out of fence. I was born and raised to carry the team. Out of 40 days of being depressed, I'm the last one standing. I'm on top of things now. Big cars and big mansions. Take a second, breathe out. Only difference is crowd. Only difference is now I get high whenever you come around. Flipping diamonds from a crew on my town. I can't hardly move, high before the news breaker. 12 and I pursue, backwards in that Bruce Wayne. I'm kicking on my shoes, vibing in that blue suede. Step into the booth, ayy, you know how we do, ayy. I can't hardly move, high before the news breaker. 12 and I pursue, backwards in that Bruce Wayne. I'm kicking on my shoes, vibing in that blue suede. Step into the booth, ayy, you know how we do, ayy. Smoke a whole hell in the way. Roll like a zip when I land. I just don't know what to say when I'm off of these ends. I'ma be going the same, but so keep me an A when I get to believe in the land. LeBron James in the wrong lane. I can waste time, it's a long day. 8 nights of a crossfade. I was face down, I was off base. I can't slow down, I can hardly look out for you. I get so high that I might not come come down, we might stay up all night. Baby, I don't know how, cause when I close my eyes, I can think about you now. Yeah, I can think about you now. Yeah, I can't even remember you now. I've been faded almost 70 nights. Ace of spade of woods whenever we ride. I could pay to prove the pain with the price. Can't complain cause I ain't taking no advice. Yeah, high before the news breaker, 12 and I pursue. Yeah, backwards in that Bruce Wayne, I'm kicking on my shoes. Yeah, vibing in that blue sweater, step into the booth. Ay, you know how we do. Ay, I can hardly move. Yeah, high before the news breaker, 12 and I pursue. Yeah, backwards in that Bruce Wayne, I'm kicking on my shoes. Yeah, vibing in that blue sweater, step into the booth. Ay, you know how we do. Ay, yeah.
So earlier you saw me put some goof off and rub it on this label. I let it sit, did some other books, and now I'm able to just, with ease, scrape it off.
Jackpot this time. Jackpot.
So look, sometimes you will get dud books. Like I talked about earlier, the dud books that I donated. This one right here, dud book. You know why? Sells good, good rank, 63 BSR, but I am unable to sell in new, used, collectible, refurbished category, and they are not accepting applications. So that is when you're basically screwed over, because you can't, you know, even apply for it. With textbooks sometimes, like I had a couple where you are able to sell it as like used very good and lower, but you can't sell it as used new or like new. So those kind of things you have to watch out for. When I'm scouting, I sometimes don't do the best job of checking my eligibility to sell, which is what got me in this situation. So now I'm gonna have another book I can donate for 20% off or something like that. So, you know, sometimes you win, more than likely you win, but sometimes you get losers like this one, even though I would have profited $15 off this book. But unfortunately, it's gonna have to go into the donation pile. So I just put in all the books and they're all ready to go. The potential profit that I stand to make is $213.86. It took me 2 hours. It was like an hour and a half I spent going through the entire savers. So roughly 106 and some change dollars per hour is what I made. So 2 hours of work, 213.86 cents, so about 106, 107, whatever, per hour. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my thank you notes now, and